In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the brightness problem on your device. If you've ever been in a situation where the brightness slider is missing or not working, or maybe your screen is just stubbornly stuck at a specific brightness level, don't worry. We're going to walk through some straightforward steps to resolve this issue. First, let's see if we can adjust the brightness using the built-in slider. Start by opening your settings. You can do this by clicking on the Start button at the bottom left of your screen, then selecting Settings from the menu, or simply pressing the Windows key plus I for a shortcut. Once you're there, look for the System option. Clicking on System will bring you to a variety of settings, but we want to focus on Display. Within the display settings, you should see a brightness slider. Try moving it to see if you can adjust the current brightness level. If it works, great. If not, don't worry, we have more steps to try. If the brightness slider isn't responsive or missing entirely, the next thing we should check is your display driver. This could be key to solving the problem. For this, you'll need to open the Device Manager. You can do this by pressing the Windows key along with the X key, which will pop up a quick access menu. From there, select Device Manager. Once Device Manager is open, look for the section labeled Display Adapters and click on the small arrow next to it to expand the list. Here, you'll see your graphics card listed. Now right-click on your graphics card and from the context menu, choose Update Driver. A window will appear and you'll want to select the option that says Search Automatically for Drivers. This allows Windows to search for and install the best available driver for your graphics card, which can often resolve various display issues, including problems with brightness control. It might take a few moments for Windows to search and apply any updates, so be patient. If new drivers are found and installed, you may need to restart your computer to apply the changes fully. Upon restarting, check the brightness slider again to see if it's functioning correctly. As a tip, keeping your drivers up to date can't just solve problems like this one, but also improve the overall performance of your system. You can periodically check for driver updates to keep everything running smoothly. So, there you have it. An easy guide to fixing those pesky brightness issues. Hopefully this has helped you regain control over your screen's brightness settings. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you had success with these steps. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.